Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I'm doing another copyright dispute through YouTube today. I've done a couple other videos before in the past. I've never had to contact the copyright owner before until now, so I thought I'd throw together another video kind of going over what I went over in the past real quick, and then what happened in this particular situation. So basically, when you're using, I do movie reviews. I do use clips and trailers from films. As you can see, I already have copyright claim strike, or not strikes, just copyright claims right there. Let me see if I can find a quick movie video review video just to show you that. So right here, there's one right there. There's one right there. I actually got a strike on this one. I can show you that real quick. It should be right here. Okay, there's Valentine Dark Avenger, and I put in a request under fair use, and obviously it's up and it's live. Let's go back and yeah, even on this one, as you see, I had to put in a claim on this one, and that was released. So there's no copyright claim here. These I just posted in the past couple days, so I have claims here. And these are all under fair use, under review. These are under review, and my excuse, or not my excuse, the reason I put in a dispute is because these are review. These are movie reviews with commentary over the actual audio. I don't use any audio. I just use video from the trailers. So these are all in dispute. These have 30 days to clear, and same with these, I think. There's one. I think one kind of cleared already. I think it's this one right here. Yeah, it's in the green, so no restrictions. They just have to clear this. Okay, and then, it doesn't look like I did this one. So, this dispute was rejected. Okay, this must have just happened. So that's good. I'm going to show you how to do all that. Okay, let's start with this. So this is your first dispute. This dispute is for this particular trailer that I used. So let's dispute this. Okay, and I'm not disputing it on the basis of any of these things here. All right, I'm going to go next. I'm going to dispute under fair use. Okay, and then I'm going to continue. And either I have it written up or I have to write it up again. All right. I believe my video is protected under fair use, which I do. So it's a review, and then there's your choices, obviously. And then normally what I do is just go to content, go here, just grab this. Oops, poop. Just grab this, and let me grab a, I'm just going to say something to the fact that, this is So if you haven't read that, the video in question was used for movie review purposes. No audio from the original trailer was used. My video is to spotlight films for people who may not know about them. All right, so I'm going to copy all of this along with the fair use statement. And I'm going to put that in here. And then I'll just do boom, boom, boom. Okay. I will submit a name to it. And then I will submit. Okay, so they have 30 days to respond. So let's go back to that other one because they did respond. And let's see details. All right, so we're going to dispute, or I'm going to appeal, not dispute. I already disputed, and dispute was rejected. So I'm going to appeal this one. And I understand all these. Make sure you read everything. And disclaimer, I'm not telling you to do this. It's your channel. I'm not telling you to dispute or appeal or any of that stuff. Be careful with your channel. If you're like me, you're very protective of your channel. So just be mindful. Send me Christmas cards if you want there. Media helper. Send me a hate email there. And country is United States. So I'm going to show you the whole process up to strikes and actually contacting the rights owner, Canandaigua, New York. Oh, no, that's my old zip code. All right. Okay, does your use signify transfer the original work, or does it serve the same purpose? Purpose of this video is for review of the film in question. Only video is used and no audio. What's the nature of the copyright work? This copyright video is for movie review purposes, something like that. How much of the original content is used? I use the video only of the original trailer with no audio. Video is substitute the original content. Is your video a substitute of the or others who may not be aware of its existence? Okay. And oops, spell existence wrong. Existence. Okay. Is there any other information the copyright owner should be aware of? Yep. So this video is for review purposes and to spotlight the film. I'm actually going to grab all these because I should have done this a long time ago and just save all my answers in case this happens again, and then I don't have to rewrite all this stuff. So all I do is put it in a notepad and then just save it. Save it under dispute, I guess. Right, so there's that. Now, more than likely, in my experience, this will be adequate. Normally, I haven't gone as far as where I had to contact this person that owns the rights until recently, which I'm going to share with you. Oops. All right, so we're just going to make sure you read all this stuff. I've read it a million times. And then sign your name. Okay, and then again, they have 30 days in order to answer this dispute. Okay. And there's 30 days right there. All right, and then more than likely they'll release it. I got plenty of time. These are for October. These are for Halloween. So I got plenty of time there. So let's talk about getting a strike, which I did, and how that was resolved. So this happened, let me get my email here. And that's Dark Avenger. That's not the one. Here it is right here. So this happened back in June. So keep in mind, I posted these October of 2021. It wasn't until June until I got a copyright strike on there. So keep an eye on your videos. I look through them at least once a month to see if there's any copyright strikes, because just because you post it, and just because there's nothing there, nothing's to say the owner of the copyright can't come along a month, 2 months, right? Almost 6 months, 8 months later and put a hold on it or put a strike on it. So this is the email that I received. Do the copyright takedown notice we received. We have taken down your video. Okay, and as you see, you received a copyright strike. And if you get 3 copyright strikes, they could possibly bring your entire channel down. So be careful with that. Be mindful of that. So 1 was enough. What you have to do, and if you go here now, you'll see the videos up. Or actually, that wasn't it. Let me see. Oh, let me grab this. Sorry. So you can see it was released live now. So this was the video that was taken down. So basically, when you get a strike, you have to go to copyright school or whatever. So basically, it's a link of like 5 or 6 questions you have to answer. They're pretty much basic questions. They're pretty much what am I trying to say? They're common sense questions to the answers to. And once you answer the questions correctly, which you will, they're like, do you know what a copyright strike is? And should you use someone else's intellectual property? Yes or no? You know, stuff like that, really simple stuff. So once you do that, 2 or 3 months later, they'll take the strike away. And you have 3 strikes. And 3 strikes, they could potentially take down your channel. So, okay, they took my video off. And then what I did is contacted these people right here. They'll provide you the contact information for the people who either they're the copyright owners or their client is the copyright owners in this case. So I sent an email out, and I'll show you the email that I sent out. I actually sent it out this weekend. And then here it is right here. So I sent that out, and as you can see, I got a response today. And it says, we hold rights on behalf of Compass Films, which owns the rights to the Halloween movie. A Halloween review is what I was doing, the original 1978 movie, classic movie, good review. I love the movie. I love the franchise. Used over 90% of the reference, which is why we did not approve your dispute. So they're telling me my initial dispute, why it wasn't approved initially. However, since it was 2 minutes, I've released the claim. So they released the claim. This is now live. And if for any reason they didn't release the claim, I would have just waited until October, waited till the strike was gone, and then I would have proceeded. This is the only time I've ever had a problem. I've done tons and tons of movie reviews on my channel. I've disputed, and it's never come as far as having to contact the actual rights owners. So I just wanted to show you the process that I went through to get my video back up, and everything's great now. I don't have any strikes. Before, what you would see, if you go to your analytics, or actually your dashboard, I should say, right up here, it would say 1 of 3 strikes, but that's not there anymore because they released the video, and that instantly takes away that strike. Okay, so if you come up against this, again, be mindful of your channel, be respectful, be professional. If you don't get angry, I know my initial first thought was, what the fuck? Because, right, we're protective of our channel and our content, but they're being protective of their intellectual property and their clients. So just be mindful of that. Good rapport as far as email. Be very nice. And I was complimentary on the film just because it was honest. I like the Halloween franchise. So I just wanted to show you this. I've done a couple videos in the past on this, which I'll link below, but hopefully you got something out of this. Don't freaking sweat bullets if this happens to you. Don't get all pissed off. Just deal with it. Just deal with it pretty much like that. I'm not necessarily saying you should do this. I'm not saying use people's intellectual property. I'm not saying use movies. I'm just showing you how to go about possibly getting that strike off there and getting your video back up. Okay, gals and guys, I hope this helped you a lot. If you're having the same issue, and I appreciate you as always, please subscribe if you haven't already, and certainly like the video if you like it, like the video if you don't like it, and share it with anyone that might have a YouTube channel or have a dispute like this, and hit the bell for updates, and I think that's it. I thank you as always, and I will catch you later.